If you would like to increase the yields from your garden, but at the same time reduce irrigation, eliminate the need of pesticides and fertilizers, help your plants deal with frost or excessive heat, you may be interested in electroculture. Electroculture is a practice of harvesting the Earth's atmospheric energy to achieve all of the previously mentioned. To harness the energy, you'll need very simple atmospheric antennas. The antennas are made of copper or brass wires wrapped around a stick or just the wire made into a spiral. Some people also use natural crystals. There is one rule to remember, namely if you live in the northern hemisphere, wrap the wire clockwise from bottom up. If you live in the southern hemisphere, wrap it counterclockwise from bottom up. And stick the antenna about 6 to 8 inches into the soil near the plants you want to help grow. The taller the antenna, the bigger the plants are supposed to grow. According to some sources, a 6-foot antenna covers an area of about 225 square feet. According to a book on electroculture published in 1925, thanks to this method, crops are increased by at least 100 to 200%, no fertilizers are needed, vegetables and fruit taste better and are larger, old fruit trees are rejuvenated, diseases and pests are destroyed, crops are ready for harvest much earlier, the necessity of rain is eliminated, and grapes are not affected by cold weather. I've just installed my first antennas and I'll post the results hopefully very soon.